going to discuss Steradian. This is the again a supplementary unit. So what is a Steradian? Steradian, it is the unit of solid angle, and it is a three dimension means just like a football, cricket ball, or we can say the room x y z axis, which having a three axis. So the definition of solid angle, it is the dimension angle subtended at the center by a surface area which is equal to the square of the radius of the sphere. Or in other word, we can also define it as the angle subtended at the center of a sphere whose surface area is equal to whose radius is equal to the square of the radius of that sphere. For example, I want to draw it. This is just like a football or watermelon, because on page I can only draw it's a two dimension, but it should be keep in mind that I am drawing it's a three dimension, just like a football, cricket ball. So let's say this is the center. Now look at that. If you have a watermelon, जैसे कि आपके पास एक तरबूज होता है और आप उसको चेक करने के लिए उसमें से एक कोन निकालते हैं. So you will have the same process. Let's say this is the radius. Now you will make here on the surface the square of the radius. For example, this r is 5 centimeters, so this area should be equal to 25 centimeter square. So you will cut in such a way that it is attached to the center of the sphere, and you will have in that way a cone, just like a funnel. So this angle, or we can say this angle, is known as 1 steradian. Now is written symbolically, if the area taken on the sphere is radius square, which is area, now then the angle at O means at the center by a surface A is 1 steradian, as shown in the figure. Solid angle for a sphere, its center is 4 pi r square. This is 4 pi r square. Explanation: the surface area of a closed surface is 4 pi, just like a football, cricket ball, his surface area is 4 pi r square. This is the surface area of a sphere. Or we can also, if we have a circle, then its area A is equal to pi r square, just like a circle. Now this is a sphere, so therefore we will take 4 pi r square. Now solid angle subtended by a closed surface is a surface area of the sphere divided by its square of radius. So the radius of the square, so we can write this one, solid angle, we can represent it by this sign. Is equal to 4 pi r square divided by r square. This is equal to cut, so we can write this one, 4 pi is the solid angle. If you want to represent in a degree, so 4 multiplied by 3.14, which is equal to 12.56 degree. That is called 1 steradian. So the area of the sphere is equal to a 4 pi square divided by r square. Solid angle is equal to 4 pi r. Now scientific notation we will discuss in another unit, another topic.